Today we're going to be making this delicious and quick honey garlic butter baked salmon. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This baked salmon is the easiest and best baked salmon ever. It's on the table in 15 minutes, so it's super quick. We start by preheating the oven to 200C or 400F. Place 4 salmon fillets skin side down on a lined baking tray. Now we're going to make the honey garlic butter glaze. I've got 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter here in a small bowl. And to that we add 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of honey, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and a pinch of paprika. Give it a good mix together. Pour the mixture over the salmon fillets. Slice a lemon into half moons and then arrange them on and around the fillets. Place in the oven and bake for 8 minutes. Open the oven and baste the salmon with any of the sauce that's pooled on the tray. Bake for a further 4 to 7 minutes until the salmon is tender. Then plate up with some garlicky green beans and baby new potatoes. So that's my super quick and easy honey garlic butter baked salmon. The glaze can be used on cod, haddock, sea bass, or any other type of fish you've got in, but salmon's my absolute favourite. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of new recipes. See you next time.